That's the pony. That starts with a shuffle step, shuffle step. Then we're gonna do the same touch that you might have learned in the toe drop. It involves like a flick of your ankle, touch, and then I already slid. Then we're gonna do a slide after the touch. A slide is when your straight leg bends down and you're like sort of driving into the floor and making a percussive chunk. Slide. Or from the side, slide. So we're gonna touch, slide. Touch, slide. All right, so what we've got so far is shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Let's try that again. Ready? Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Now let's try it on our other foot. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. And if you've got the technique going, which I sometimes do and sometimes don't, you've got that flicking, which is kind of reminiscent of like a pony. So from the side, let's do some together. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Then usually we're going to do 4 basics to travel back, since those slides travel us forward. And if you're on something like a step-a-tune, there's not a whole lot of room, so you do have to then find a way to maneuver back. And some people's step-a-tunes are even smaller, so if that were the case, they might modify the pony, and instead of the slides, they might substitute a heel drop. So a modified pony would look like shuffle, step, touch, heel, touch, heel, touch, heel. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, touch, heel, touch, heel. In order to not travel. So on a really small step-a-tune, that's a good way to adapt. Okay, so since I've got a little bit more length in this direction, let's do 2 ponies and then 4 basics. 2 ponies, 4 basics. Ready, go. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. Shuffle, step, rock, step. Shuffle, step, rock, step. Shuffle, step, touch, slide, touch, slide, touch, slide. 4 basics. And from the back. Ready, go. 4 basics. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle.